After I had met the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam last week to initiate the process of discussion on the border issue, we also discussed it in the Chief Minister's meet where the Honorable Home Minister of Government of India was there, and he also stressed on the need to find an amicable solution. So all these matters were briefed to all the members of the cabinet, and during that meeting we also suggested and discussed on how we should move forward in this overall situation, and it was decided that we will be forming 3 regional committees, and these regional committees will be mainly for one in West Khasi Hills, one for Ribhoi, and one for both East and West Chetty Hills. And the objective of these regional committees, which will be headed by one of the cabinet ministers, and other members like local MLAs or MDCs and other stakeholders will also be part of this committee, that the regional committee chairmen, whoever heads that regional committee, will decide. And they will then, after the consultation with different stakeholders in those areas, they will also make field visits, and they will submit reports every now and then on the different issues that are there in these areas and different facts. After visiting the locations, they will also be giving us reports directly from the ground level. So this is a decision that was taken today. At the same time, at a later stage, once this process starts, I will also start consulting with individual groups and stakeholders at my level, but we will ultimately form a state level committee also, and in the state level committee we will then have a larger consultation with different stakeholders, be it political parties, be it different district councils or the headmans and the CMs and the other stakeholders like civil society, and all these will be there in the consultative committee, but that will be at a later stage. First we'll start off with this regional committee.